Hello friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Susie. Today African mechanic is reassemble the Fiat Panda 1.2 8-valve car with a new Cortico 41455P head gasket. Number 1 gasket is the original gasket. Number 2 gasket is the incorrect gasket fitted before. The gasket causing the overpressurization in the radiator. Number 3 gasket is the actual correct replacement gasket. All bores and rings are good. No sideways movement. First wipe the surfaces with a solvent-based cleaning fluid. Then use 400 grit sandpaper to remove all traces of the old gasket. Then fit the new gasket and put the cylinder head back on.
The facts, the best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you
seat here. The belt is okay. No lights on dash. Clean exhaust, no smoke and car is running okay.